Hidden in the summer jungle, nature had reclaimed what was abandoned. Vines and moss covered the cabin, but beneath the decay, its bones were strong. Watch as it emerges from the wild. Golden cedar, extended deck, reinvention, not just restoration. Hammocks sway between the trees, BBQs ready under the stars. Paradise outside, but not yet inside. Step inside. Neglect turns to foundation. Walls breathe. Light pours in. Every corner awakens. Indoor meets outdoor. Doors swing wide. Sunlight, comfort, freedom. Your next vacation starts here. What was once forgotten now becomes the hidden sanctuary you've been searching for.